We are thrilled to be with you this evening as we celebrate the biggest night in Aotearoa music.
How does it feel to be Māori in a space like this?
I feel powerful.
Deutsch.
Blessed.
We no longer hover around the sides or fall by the wayside. We're here.
Te toa mo te kai puoro take toa is Corella.
Honestly, just to be here tonight is pretty surreal.
Te mea tino tata ki taku ngā kau te reo Māori, te Waiata reo Māori. And so it's just amazing to see all these Māori artists doing Māori Waiata. Tino rawe, tino rawe.
No matter what we do, we'd always represent Māori. You know, it's who we are, it's how we talk, it's how we breathe, it's how we view the world.
Breakthrough Artist of the Year, Coterie!
As is every day. Pretty good day to be Māori, baby.
Coterie, ladies and gentlemen!
He wāhi mo te reo Māori, he wāhi mo ngā Waiata reo Māori. E kite ana I roto I ngā momo wāhi taonga, te nuinga o ngā tangata I roto rā. He tangata Māori, he tangata e Waiata nei te reo Māori, no reira he wāhi mo te reo Māori ki kone ki Aotearoa. He wāhi hoki ki tā wāhi, e kite ana I roto I ngā momo Waiata pēra I a Thames, I a K-pop, you know, a tōna wā ka eke tō tātou nei reo ki aua taumata, aria te wā.
Feels good, feels cool, feels earned. If any Māori hop up on stage and win an award or sing their Waiata, it's, I don't know, it's a win for all of us.
E kite ana I tō tātou nei māreikura, a whāhine wehi, ka whakanui a.
Mai kore ake koia, ka Waiata mātou I ēnei Waiata reo Māori.
You know, we have had contemporary Waiata right through 80s, 90s, 2000s, but it certainly wasn't given the kudos or the support, and now our kids are able to express themselves through Waiata reo Māori without any inhibition and without any pushback.
You are hereby being abducted into the New Zealand Hall of Fame. Hamaita paki paki!
Finally, to the creators of Waiata, to those who play and perform Waiata, those who love and listen to Waiata, and who find ways for Waiata to reverberate across the land and throughout the globe. You are all champions of Waiata reo Māori, so that our tamariki will never wonder what their world might be like without Waiata in it.
Tūturu whakamaua kia tīna! Haumie, huie! Mauri ora.